Good afternoon, everyone. Again, I am Tonya McNair, the one with the keyboard fingers who's been crazily emailing all of you. I want to take time to say thank you all from the bottom of our heart on behalf of myself and Ms. Ivey-Nixon. We talked about this over the summer, really started planning in June. Who plans a full-day conference in 3 months? We did, and I think we did pretty good. I hope you all learned something. Thank you. I hope you go out of here with a renewed spirit, not just your professional life, but your personal life. Ms. Thelma Green said, people want to be listened to. So I hope you all listen to people more, because sometimes I have a friend of mine I was like, we need to listen more than we talk. And we need to be respectful of people's decisions, even though we may not agree with them, as long as they're not hurting themselves, just listen to what they have to say. And Ms. Irving made a good point. It's time for us to start doing something different. We can't continue to do the same thing over and over again and expect a different response. That's the definition of insanity. That's what they tell people in AA and NA. If you keep doing the same thing over again, you'll get what you've always gotten. So how about we take this information, we take this renewed spirit, and we do something different. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be done overnight, but we're going to take it one day at a time, and we're going to build the world, the community that we want, where all people are respected and guardianship is actually used as a last resort. And before I turn it over to my boss, I want to say thank you to all of you for coming. It was short notice. Thank you for hanging out with us on a Thursday all day. Thank you to the moderators, the panelists, the speakers, the volunteers, and also the amazing staff at Kellogg. We could not have done this without them. So again, thank you very much, and I'll turn it over to my boss.
So thank you to everyone for what has been an incredible day. We've seen a lot of engagement around the issues of guardianship, least restrictive alternatives, and DC local resources. The conversations that we've held today in this room and in the breakout sessions have been nothing short of inspiring. Your presence and dedication demonstrate a powerful collective commitment to protecting the rights and dignity of older adults in our community. This summit has been a key element of our Elder Justice Innovation Grant, and it's not just about a single effort, but a series of sustained efforts to enhance elder justice and guardianship reform. And so through this grant, the court helps to build a more responsive and protective legal and social system. But this is just the beginning of our work. So looking ahead, we want to continue this conversation, connect with the public in new ways, and in the coming months, we'll be launching a public education campaign to provide accessible information on these critical topics. So please look at your buses, look at your trains. There'll be gallery place domination that will share the message of what guardianship is and what it's not, and point you in the direction of local resources. Additionally, we will also be expanding recruitment for our essential panels, our fiduciary panel of attorneys and non-attorney guardians, our examiners and visitors panel, and hopefully a case reviewers panel that will bring more social workers into the fold to do the very things that we've discussed today. These roles are incredibly vital for sustaining the court's ability to ensure just outcomes. And we want to explore our capacity building amongst stakeholders, provide training and other two-way conversations that will allow for the court to really maintain its mission and vision to providing justice for the folks in DC. And so finally, one of the key initiatives that we're excited about is updating some of our capacity assessment forms, our petitions for guardianship, as well as our guardianship reports. We intend to provide this information on the court's platform, but also use guided interviews to help those that don't understand legalese do it in a plain language format. And these tools will really provide step-by-step guidance, helping us to navigate what can really feel like incredibly complex processes. And so in the spirit of Ms. McNair, I do want to again thank everyone for making this day truly successful. We hope you leave here feeling incredibly empowered and energized with new information to share with your network. We definitely want you to continue to be in contact with us about any information and ideas that you have. We're open and want to have that conversation with you. So safe travels. We look forward to working with you to building a more just future. And for those looking for continuing education credits, please make sure that you turn in your evaluations at the front desk and grab a social work CEU flyer that will have information on how to pay your $12 fee to NASW DC so you can get your 5.5 public health priority CEUs. And so with that, safe travels, take care.